So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate ICO or PNG icons very easily. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for ICO uh, icons generator. Just simply tap on this option, and here you first open this first website that appear right in front of you. Now here it says favicons generator, and just simply upload the PNG image that you have, or the text you have, or the emoji you have, and it will directly generate an ICO that is known as icon, that you can use anywhere you want on over your project, because some of the project supports only ICO, not multiple images, so that you can convert it from here and use anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.